Hello P6. For today's literacy activities, I would love at some point today for you to have a go at Play Live Words in Education City. Play Live Words is a fantastic game where you get to try and make lots of short and longer words and get the highest score that you possibly can. Now, lots of you have been playing live every day. We've seen lots of you at 2 o'clock in the afternoons. But at some point today, I would love you to log in and go and have a go, because I can see on Play Live Words, when I log in and I go to look at the leaderboard, if I click on the school leaderboard, I can see that lots of you have got amazing scores so far this week. At the minute, at the time I'm recording this, Lucy is in the lead. Lucy's got an amazing score of 71. Followed by Jadal and Jacob, Anna, Colin, Alfie, Holly, Taya, Faye and Lily. They make up the top 10 at the minute. I wonder by the end of today who will be in the top 10 for Brooklands. Will you be there? I would love to see so many of you today have a go at playing live and see who can make it into the top 10. Maybe Lucy will still be top. Maybe she'll manage to beat her own score. Maybe somebody else will overtake her. I wonder if you could make it onto that leaderboard. So today, log in and go and have a look at Play Live Words and see how you get on with Play Live Words. Now, our main activity today is all about alphabetical order and vocabulary. And what I would like you to do is when you choose your activity, you could choose either there's an activity for our higher and middle levels, and then there's a separate activity for the lower level. If you choose the higher and middle level, then you're beginning with alphabetical order. And at the top of the page, you have got 6 sets of words, and you need to put those into alphabetical order. Now, of course, alphabetical order is so much easier if you have already written out the alphabet. So why don't you, at the top of your page, go and write out the alphabet, or do it down at the bottom of the page? But writing out the alphabet will really help you. So you've got your 6 sets of words, 5 words in each one. Underneath, go and put those words into alphabetical order. For your second challenge, you have got a space to write down the names of 10 people from your class. And what I would like you to do then is take those 10 names and can you put those names into alphabetical order. Then you've got your vocabulary challenge on the back of the page. So on the back of the page, I would like you to begin by looking at this word box. I've given you 10 interesting words, and what I want you to do is put them into the 10 sentences that are underneath. In each of the 10 sentences, there are some words that have been written in italics. Italics are those letters that are slightly slanted over to the side. So look at the sentences, find the words in italics. Can you swap the words in italics for one of these words in the word box at the top? And then for your final activity, you have got down at the bottom of the page 2 interesting words, the word extinguish and the word tolerate. Find each word in a dictionary and go and write down for me what's the dictionary definition, and then can you go and use that word in a sentence of your own. So that's one of the levels. If you choose, however, to do the slightly easier level, if you are doing this level, you're also looking at alphabetical order, and we start today by looking at these 10 sets of words. In each of the 10 sets of words, the first letter is the same. So if I'm looking at number 10, for example, all of the words in number 10 begin with the letter H, but the second letter is different. So I've got a U, O, E, A and I. Can you use those letters to put those words into alphabetical order? Write your answers at the end of the line. In your second part of your challenge, down at the bottom of your page, you've been given 10 interesting words. First thing you need to do is put those words into alphabetical order. So write them down the side here in alphabetical order. And then can you match up each word to its dictionary definition? You've been given the meaning there, match up each word to its definition. So you've got Play Live, you've got your alphabetical order and vocabulary task. Don't forget, of course, you've also got your phonics. So for phonics, we are on Thursdays, as always, thinking about the more difficult words and practicing spelling those more difficult words. So go back and look at your words for sorting and think which are the harder words for me to spell and practice writing them down. Then, of course, you've also got book clubs. So don't forget to do some reading every day. It's really important, P6, to do at least 15 minutes worth of reading every day. And don't forget, of course, as well as doing book club, I'm sure you've got other amazing books in your house that you could be using. Try and do at least 15 minutes of reading every day, please.